Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah Baqarah, verse number 30. Surah Baqarah, verse number 30. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ And when thy Lord said unto angels, إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً Lo, I am about to place a viceroy in the earth. They said, إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون. And when thy Lord said unto angels, Lo, I am about to place a viceroy in the earth, they said, Wilt thou place therein one who will do harm therein and will shed blood, while we him the praise and sanctify thee, thy praise, we hum thy praise and sanctify thee. He said, Surely I know that ye which you know not. Allama Adam al-asma kullaha summa aradahum al-malaikati faqala ambiyuni bi asma'i haulai in kuntum sadiqin. And he taught Adam all the names, then showed them to the angels, saying, Inform me of the names of these, if you are truthful. قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. They said, Be glorified, we have no knowledge, saying that which thou hast taught us. We have no knowledge, saying that which thou hast taught us. We have no knowledge, saying that which thou hast taught us. Lo, thou only thou art the knower, the wise. Thou art the knower, the wise. Adam kala ya Adam ambihum biasma'ihim. فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. He said to Adam, Inform them of their names. And when he had informed them of their names, he said, Did I not tell you that I know the secrets of heaven and earth, and I know that which ye disclose and which ye hide. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. And when we said unto the angels, Prostrate yourselves before Adam, and fell prostrate all save Iblis. He demurred through pride and so became a disbeliever. فَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ فَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَٰذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. And we said, O Adam, dwell thou and thy wife in the gardens, dwell thou and thy wife in the gardens, and eat ye freely of fruits thereof, where ye will. But come not nigh this tree, lest you become wrongdoers. But come not nigh this tree, lest you become wrongdoers. فَأَزَلَّهُمَا الشَّيْطَانُ عَنْهَا فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا مِمَّا كَانَ فِيهِ وَقُلْنَا اهْبِطُوا بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ فَلَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُسْتَقَرٌّ وَمَتَاعٌ إِلَىٰ حِينٍ. But Satan caused them to deflect therefrom and expelled them from the happy state in which they were. And we said, Fall down, one of you a foe unto other. There shall be for you on the earth a habitation and the provision for the time. فَتَلَقَّى آدَمُ مِنْ رَبِّهِ كَلِمَاتٍ فَتَابَ عَلَيْهِ إِنَّهُ هُوَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ. Then Adam received from his Lord words of revelation, and he relented towards him. Lo, he is the relenting, the merciful. قُلْ نَهْبِطُوا مِنْهَا جَمِيعًا فَإِمَّا يَأْتِيَنَّكُم مِّنِّي هُدًى فَمَن تَبِعَ هُدَايَ فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. We said, Go down all of you from hence, but verily there cometh unto you from me a guidance, and whoso followeth my guidance, whoso followed my guidance, there shall be no fear come upon them, neither shall they grieve. وَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. No fear come unto them, neither shall they grieve. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا كَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا أُولَٰئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. But they who disbelieve and deny our revelations, such are the rightful owners of the fire, they will abide therein. Sadaqallahul Azim.